Welcome to qnawire.
The first step to solving this problem is to integrate the form here for the acceleration with respect to time to get the velocity with respect to time. So to do that, we integrate. And so when I integrate -2, I just get -2t. And then whenever I integrate this, I raise the power to t squared and then divide by 2. So I get 13 over 2 t squared. And then I have my v naught. I'm also going to want to integrate this again to get x of t. Whenever I do that, I get -t squared because I raise this to 2 and then divide by 2. I get 13 over 6 t cubed. This v naught here gets a t since it's just a constant. And then I have my x naught. Now we want to solve for v naught whenever the time is 4 seconds and the difference between x and x naught is 0. And so if I just subtract x naught over and rewrite, I get this. Now it tells us that this left-hand side is equal to 0 whenever t is equal to 4. So I'm just going to substitute 0 in for the left-hand side, and then 4 in for t on the right-hand side. At this point, there's only one unknown in here, and the rest are just numbers. So we can easily solve this for v naught to give us the correct answer. You would move this to the other side, square it out, cube that out, and then just plug it into the calculator. Whenever you do that, you get v naught is -30.67 meters per second. And that's the answer to part A. Now we want to figure out what the velocity is after 4 seconds have elapsed. And we're going to need to use this bit of information now. To figure this out, we just refer back to the velocity form here. We're going to need this because v naught shows up here. And we're going to plug in 4 seconds for time. And you'll see there's no more unknowns left in this equation, so we can get the velocity. So the velocity of 4 seconds, I'm just going to plug in 4 here. So I get -8 plus 13 over 2, 4 squared, minus 30.67, which is our v naught. Simplifying this down, I get 65.33 meters per second, which is the speed after 4 seconds have elapsed. And that's the final answer.